alone. You're a great team.
Okay.
Chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Nice, nice.
Wow! Congratulations!
Hey, what happened?
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod and my sister? We're not friends anymore? Yes, you! I know you have Liz. I want you to release her. You're a great team.
Uh-oh, come on.
I got an idea! Wow! Congratulations!
Nice, nice.
Too easy. Piece of cake.
I like that.
Ta-da!
Let's go! Let's go!
Goody, he's here.
Yeah!
Okay, let's go.
Stupid boy! You have the guts to face me, huh? But you're
Bye.
Here I go!
Come on, step it up!
Wow! Congratulations!
I like that.
Amazing! Bror, niemand point!
Oh, yes. You tell me, sweet little boy.
Hey, what happened?
Uh-oh. Jay, is that you? What happened? How did Rod capture Liz?
Nice, nice.
You're a great team.
Oh, yeah!
Going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Hello!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Oh, what a beautiful child. Come here. I have a gift for you. That's right. Come
Aha!
Oh, hello, chubby boy.
Okay, let's go!
Yummy, yummy in my tummy.
Come on!
You're a great team.
Nice, nice.
Oh, yeah!
Bye.
Okay, let's go!
Yes, you! I know you have Liz. I want you to release her.
Okay.
Goody, he's here. Right.
Good gravy!
Get in here, you little...
Too easy. Piece of cake.
Nice, nice.
I have $30,000 in credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Okay.
Wow, amazing! Here we go!
Yahoo!
Oh, hello.
Here I go!
Okay.
Ta-da! Yahoo!
Bye.
Let's go, let's go!
Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye-bye! Woohoo! Oh, yes!
Goodbye.
Yay! Oh, no! Wow! Congratulations!
Bye, have a great time. Okay, let's go!
Bye-bye! We're in trouble now. Here I go! Woohoo!
Oh, hello. Going to find me some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
We're in trouble now.
I got an idea.
Here we go! Thanks, Pally. Come on.
Okay, okay. Here I go! Wow!
Here we go!
Woohoo! I'm ready!
Go, go, go!
derp derp derpity derp 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 derpity derp 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 derp.
Bye, have a great time.
Dori 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 dori.
Amazing! Oh no! Hey, what happened?
Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Oh, hello.
I'm not afraid of that stupid ice cream maker. How did you not tell me that Rod had my sister?
We're in trouble now.
Hello! Do not count on me. I don't want to go back to that van in a million years. Yes, in the end, I managed to jump at one of the stops.
I got an idea.
Okay, let's go!
Go, go, go!
Bye-bye.
We are a great team.
Oh
Dori 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 dori.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
I am ready to put on a show.
Let's go!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
What a beautiful shot. Come here.
Bye.
Here we go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye, have a great time.
Oh, hello.
Oh, boy, oh, boy, oh, boy! Oh, I love it!
Let's go!
We're going!
Gary!
Amazing!
Wow, so much heat!
You're my hero!
Gary!
Hey, what happened? Oh, hello!
Hey, you, let's go!
Okay.
Come on, step it up. Going, we're going.
Bye, have a great time.
Hello, Ed boys! Many doors, yes?
We're in trouble now.
Yummy!
Hello, Ed boys! Don't call me honey!
Go, go, go!
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
Wow, amazing!
Hello.
Here I go!
Yeah!
Go, go, go!
Here we go!
I am ready to put on a show!
Wow! Congratulations! I sound like a 14-year-old, but my boobs are huge! 料理は愛情美味しく料
Hello! Good morning, good morning. We talked the whole night through. Good morning to you.
Oh no!
Thank you. Come again.
My God, are you still?
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay. Oh yes! Go go go!
I'm going to connect the kids today. I'm looking for the chubby ones. I'm going to find some chubby kids and we're gonna make some ice cream fun.
Bye bye.
Okay. Good job.
Let's go, let's go, let's go!
The world would be such a better place without all of those minorities.
Mario's gonna do something illegal.
Bye.
Okay.
Amazing.
Here I go!
I have $30,000 in credit card debt. When they call, I tell them I can't pay it back yet. Credit card debt.
Bye. Have a great time.
Hello, cutie pie.
Ho ho!
Uh-oh.
No way! Wow! It's magical!
Come on, boy.
Woo! Let's go!
We're going!
Here I go!
We're in trouble now.
Go, go, go!
Whoa! Amazing! Here I go! Bye, have a great time!